Hi, I'm Lorna Bateman. Pinweaving is something that whenever there's a rainy day or the need to create something and put embroidery aside, or something more that takes more energy to concentrate on, and I'm feeling like working with colour, then out comes my bag of scrap fabrics, and I put together a little piece of pinweaving. You can embroider into it. This one is a little landscape. This was one of the first pieces I did, taught to me by a very dear friend many years ago. And you can see it's slightly different type of webbing, but I've actually started stitching and embroidering into it. The idea being that I was going to create a meadow mix there.